All right, please be seated. Pro-Chancellor, graduates, guests, and members of the university community, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Tim Maillet. I'm the Director of Future Learners here at UTS. Graduations are one of the university's most important events. This year, the university will hold 42 ceremonies here in Sydney and in Shanghai. I'd like to introduce you to the official party who are here on stage today. Seated at the center of the stage is Dr. Jack Steele, Pro-Chancellor of the university, who will preside over this ceremony. The Pro-Chancellor is joined today by Professor Vicky Chen, Provost and Senior Vice President, Mrs. Carmel Crow, OAM, who will deliver today's occasional address, Distinguished Professor Di Chao Cheng, Head of School of Civil and Environmental Engineering of the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology, who will be presenting graduates today. The other people seated on stage are professors, academics, and professional staff from faculties and institutes who have played such a large part in the success of today's graduates. It now gives me great pleasure to invite Dr. Jack Steele, Pro-Chancellor, to formally open proceedings.
Good afternoon and welcome everybody. In the name of the Council, I declare this congregation of the University of Technology, Sydney, duly assembled. On behalf of the University of Technology, Sydney, before we begin the proceedings and on behalf of everybody present, I would like to acknowledge and pay respects to the traditional owners of the land on which we meet, the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation. It is upon their ancestral land that UTS stands. Similarly, I'd like to also pay respects to the elders both past and present, acknowledging them as the traditional custodians of knowledge for this place. In this graduation ceremony, we will celebrate the conferral of awards upon graduates from the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology. Today's ceremony marks a great achievement for the graduates and recognises the support that they have received from family and friends, many of whom are here today. We welcome you, and together we celebrate the achievements of the graduates. I now invite Distinguished Professor Di Chao, Head of the School of Civil and Environmental Engineering of the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology, to present graduates.
Pro-Chancellor, I invite graduates in the School of Engineering and Information Technology to stand. Pro-Chancellor, the UTS Council has resolved that candidates recommended to it by the Faculty Board in Engineering and Information Technology as eligible for awards have completed all requirements of a course of study approved by the board and has conferred these awards upon them. Pro-Chancellor, I now present those graduates from the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology who are here before you to acknowledge the awards of which they have been qualified.
On behalf of the Council of the University of Technology, Sydney, I congratulate graduates on their achievements in obtaining the awards for which they have qualified.
Graduates, please be seated. Pro-Chancellor, research degree programs, including PhD and master by thesis, are instrumental in helping us to achieve our vision to be a world-leading faculty of engineering and information technology. In addition to the passion and the commitment, our research students cohort contributes to innovative and entrepreneurial ideas that advance UTS and the field at large. Pro-Chancellor, I present to you graduates receiving research degree. The following students have graduated with Doctor of Philosophy. Lahawanda Alzanadi for a thesis entitled Investigation on Pressure Retarded Osmosis Process Operation, Optimization, and Hybrid Systems, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Dr. Arnie R.T., Co-Supervisor Professor Junliang Zhou, Pro-Chancellor. I present to you Dr. Nahawadi Alzanadi. Samuel de Kahiwahu Gomes for a thesis entitled Durability of Alkali Activated Calcium Clay Concrete Against Carbonation and Chloride Diffusion, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Arnold Castillo, Co-Supervisors Associate Professor Kirk Wislasses, Associate Professor Wen Guini, Pro-Chancellor. I present to you Dr. Samuel de Kahiwahu Gomes. T. Chuk Tao Duan for a thesis entitled Microscale Investigation of the Influence of Interparticle Cohesion on Microbehavior of Soil, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor, Distinguished Professor Bodhima Yinjwarandra, Co-Supervisors, Professor Chalachat Rujikert Kamchu, and Dr. Tan Nguyen. Pro-Chancellor, I present to you Dr. T. Tuk Tao Duan. Charis Fonseca for a thesis entitled Selective Recovery of Rare Earth Elements and Variable Metals from Mining Wastewater by Membrane and Adsorption Hybrid Systems, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Emeritus Professor Vijay Vijayaswana, Co-Supervisor Dr. Gayatri Dhanasamy, Associate Professor Jaya Kadasamy, Pro-Chancellor. I present to you Dr. Charis Fonseca. Ramesh Jidana for a thesis entitled Bioremediation of Soft Subgrade for Enhanced Performance of Real Infrastructure, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor, Distinguished Professor Bodhima Yinjwarandra, Co-Supervisors Professor Bezat Fatahi, Dr. Sobhani Madawala, and Dr. Tan Nguyen. Pro-Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Ramesh Gadina. Siming Gong for a thesis entitled An Advanced Approach for Assessing Flood Risk in Urban Environment, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor, Associate Professor James Ball, and Co-Supervisor Nicholas Sorovsky. Pro-Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Siming Gong. Warenga Dinanthi Habarodova Piolage for a thesis entitled Dynamic Characteristics of Joined Rocks Subject to Technical Loading, supported by supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Bezat Fatahi, Co-Supervisor Dr. Hale Resik, Pro-Chancellor. I present to you Dr. Warenga Dinanthi Habarodova Piolage. Saeed Ahmad Hossain Zadeh for a thesis entitled Assessment of Osmotic Membrane Bioreactor for Simultaneous Hydrogen Production and Wastewater Treatment, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Junyan Zhou, Co-Supervisor Dr. Ani Alti, Pro-Chancellor. I present to you Dr. Saeed Ahmad Hossain Zadeh. Yazan Jaradat for a thesis entitled Impact of Structure Ponding on Seismic Behavior of Adjacent Buildings, supported by supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Dr. Harry Farr, Co-Supervisor Dr. Mina Motazavi, Pro-Chancellor. I present to you Dr. Yazan Jaradat. Mihimo Kadorogamowa for a thesis entitled Application of Dynamic Consolidation for Problematic Railway Subgrade with Vacuum Preloading and Vertical Dreams, supported by supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Dr. Sanjay Nimbaka, Co-Supervisor Distinguished Professor Dai Chaoxing, Pro-Chancellor. I present to you Dr. Mihimo Kadorogamowa. Anika Kabase Yazdi for a thesis entitled Developing Hydrogel Membrane for Ion Removal, supported by supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Dr. Ani Alti, Co-Supervisor Mohammad Kabaz. Pro-Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Anika Kabase Yazdi. Xiaoqin Liu for a thesis entitled Developing Efficient Photocatalyst for High Performance Decomposition of Fluorotonic Acid, supported by supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Binji Li, Co-Supervisor Dr. Yiwen Liu. Pro-Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Xiaoqin Liu. Fatima Mohammed. Sorry. For a thesis entitled Use of Waste Rubber Tires with Compacted Infill Materials to Minimize Railway Track Degradation, supported by supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Distinguished Professor Bodima Yinjawrandala, Co-Supervisor Dr. Noen Chua Ngo. Pro-Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Fatima Mohammed. Paya Rehani for thesis entitled Semiconductor Quantum Well Nanowire Analysis, Modeling, and Dynamics, supported by supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Dr. R.T. Agrawal, Co-Supervisor Professor Shani Noble, Professor Christoph Paulden, Pro-Chancellor. I present to you Dr. Paya Rehani. Fen San for a thesis entitled Optimization of Tunnel Boring Machine Performance by Machine Learning, supported by supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor, Distinguished Professor Dai Chaoxing, Co-Supervisor Xu Zhenghe, Pro-Chancellor. I present to you Dr. Fen San. Amiyo Timujin Tochu for a thesis entitled Heavy Haul Real Load Design Upgrading Based on Fundamental Track Dynamics, supported by supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor, Distinguished Professor Bodima Yinjo Randala, Co-Supervisor Nao Chuan NGO. Pro-Chancellor, I present to you Amiyo Timujin Tochu. Lan Wu for a thesis entitled Liquid Bioenergy Recovery from Food Waste via Open Culture Aerobic Fermentation, supported by supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Binji Li, Co-Supervisor Dr. Wei Wei, and Dr. Yiwen Liu. Pro-Chancellor, I present to you Lan Wu, Dr. Lan Wu. Zimei Xu for a thesis entitled Synthesis and Application of Colossal Borates, supported by supervisory panel that include Principal Supervisor Professor Zhengguo Huang, Co-Supervisor Dr. Wei Wei, Professor John Junliang Zhou. Pro-Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Zimei Xu. Pro-Chancellor, each year UTS recognizes a select of few undergraduate candidates of exceptional merit. Such candidates are honored by the award of University Medal. Pro-Chancellor, I now present to you a graduates receiving an undergraduate award and the University Medal in the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology. The following students have graduated with Bachelor of Engineering honors in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with first-class honors, and the University Medal. Armenia Allen Welsh. Pro-Chancellor, we now present to you our coursework graduates receiving awards today.
The following students have graduated with a Master of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Master of Engineering Management, Kaustubh Dinesh Suvarana Umtai. Rohit Shinder. Master of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Tian Long Chen. Xu Yi Kyo. Suzita Mahajan. Anuvab Nyopane. Asta Prashantbhai Patel. Sorash Raj Regbi. Manish Shrista. Chanikan Tanamitikul. Master of Engineering in Environmental Engineering, Ridhima Nair. Master of Engineering in Geotechnical Engineering, Noel Duomo. Master of Engineering in Structural Engineering, Sarka Bakunche. Shantanu Chaudhuri. Bibek Thapa Chetri. Master of Engineering in Telecommunications and Electronics, Master of Engineering Management, Atharva Pasalkar. Master of Professional Engineering in Civil Engineering, Aung Zae Soe Min. Alan Carlo Belza Gavica. Jun Tao Hu. Ngai Shing Gary Kyung. Deepak Kumar Yadav. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering with First Class Honours, Bachelor of Business with Distinction, Thomas Oliver Herbert. Daniel Terence Keeling. Eason Lei. Thomas Frederick Partington. Harvinder Singh. Jafar Robin Paragas Villagracia. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Electrical Engineering with First Class Honours, Bachelor of Business with Distinction, Abhinandu Sasi. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering with First Class Honours, Bachelor of Business with Credit, Shanoki Jennifer Emma Lamba. Matthew Fraketic. Adam Michael Guven. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering with First Class Honours, Bachelor of Business, Matthew Thomas de Ambrosis. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering with First Class Honours, Bachelor of Science in Applied Physics, Annabelle Stratton. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering with First Class Honours, Bachelor of Science in Nanotechnology, Meryl Zern Feng Wak. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Mechatronic Engineering with First Class Honours, Bachelor of Medical Science, Shreyan Pravin Deshpande. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Biomedical Engineering with First Class Honours, Shiza Ahmed. Richie Das. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with First Class Honours, Zara Zainab Ajawar. Miguel Howard. Zachary David Howe. Yasmin Mohammed. Sarah Raff. Prabhu Shetty. Claudia Wheatley. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering with First Class Honours, Graduate Certificate in Professional Legal Practice, Mohit Roy. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering with First Class Honours, Sophie Edwina Salinto. Mitchell James Cowdery. Michael Paul DeMelio. Pierre Elsevier. Maxine Joey Almalor Garcia. Adam Gobran. Sarah Goktas. Christopher Habib. Chen Chi Hung. Kieran Alexander Knapman. Diok Kyung Koo. Claudia Kiriakou. Ashrafu Manan. Lu An Hui Nguyen. Cohen Jake O'Shaughnessy. Christopher Sard. George Tasaktoglu. Panhariti Tir. Chan Van Khan Wong. Gao Tui Wu. Peterson Nguyen Vu. Yi Wang. Yue Yu. Kruo Kun Yu. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with First Class Honours, Mutaz Al-Zuhairi. Neha Anzar. Owen Bersenev. Bruce Bui. Thomas Silento. Taj Davis. Damien De Oliver. Larry Daw. Jaden El Atzi. Johnny Ha. Brandon Ianson. Michael Kennedy. James Kent. Joshua King. Anuj Lad. Song Hwan Moon. Maria Katarina Oberhosur. Shivnit Kamal Prasad. Tony Tauk. James Chan. Mia Wilson. Marcio Zorro. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Bachelor of Business with Distinction, Alexander James Poulios. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Bachelor of Business with Credit, Digme Montague Cook. Harry Stephen Wrightson. Bachelor of Engineering Honours with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Bachelor of Business with Credit, Andy Huan Bin Lei. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Bachelor of Business, Milan Dosan. Matthew Nguyen. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Bernard Samuel Jr. Maria Ayacardo Zhao. Jack Rosenberg. Harrison Walter. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Munir Ali Al-Kasali. Stuart Weng Hei Gok. Matthew Simons. Nathan Bruce Tucker. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Sarah Ahmad Al-Tarawina. Mohammed Aja. Yusuf Shami. Jin Feng Chen. Hong Qian Chu. Adam Ali Daisley. Yi Yang Ding. Rong Chuan Guo. Farhad Hakim Zada. Jin Xuan He. Andrew Huynh. Louis Zhang. Li Ming Zhe. Dong Zhuo Ma. Edim Mesanovic. Aung Pie Phyo. Najibullah Rasa. Refat Yaqub Agha. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Sharon Chang Patana. Holly Garner. Jameson Lim. Michael John Mayer. Devraj Shukla. Supath Sijaparty. Maxwell Tate. Aidan Turner. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Software Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Daniel Peter Lafontaine. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Bachelor of Business with Credit, Daniel Istefanos. Michael Jarges. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Bachelor of Business, Alex Javier Zambrano Baloa. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Chen N. Chang. Eric Zhang. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Nathan Albazi. Ong Min Tan. Zara Hassan. Eo An Hyun. Luai Kadur. Shere Khan. Si Chi Ling. Hao Yang Long. Mai Zhi Bin. Daniel Sphere. Min Kwa Chong. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours Division 2, Brighton Kai. Richa K.C. Sarkis Karau. Mohammed Jad Kautarani. Olivia Walker. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice, Rachel Felipe. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Kazi Adib Afnan. Rob Ben Orabam. Ting Xun Tai. Rafael Anaf Hisham. Satnam Hoti. Sharbel Kuri. Lam Le. Food Le. Abrar Arif Mohammed. Hussein Muhaj. Hasir Suhaib. Chin Yong Zhou. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice, Tatiana Castro Ceneas. Bara Omar. Xuan Mai Chong. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Mechanical Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice, Samuel Ross Groves. Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Umit Akul. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering, Osama Ahmad Akel.
Pro-Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of graduates from Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology.
On behalf of all at the UTS, I'd like again to say a huge congratulations to our graduates. And graduates, you might join me in this. Also, just as importantly, to your family and friends. Finishing a degree is a major milestone, and we don't underestimate the amount of hard work and sacrifice that you've had to make in reaching this goal. You should be very proud of what you have achieved. Your university certainly is proud of you. Your graduation is one of the most important moments in your life and brings with it opportunities and also challenges. The opportunities available have never been greater. UTS graduates are held in high esteem by employers, not only because of the quality of the education you've received here, but also, as you would have heard from the titles of the graduates' degrees, because of the university's very practical nature. Conversely, the challenges in the workplace have never been greater. Scrutiny and the expectations of society are already high and continue to grow. I would urge you to all to maintain the highest level of professional and personal integrity. To confront with courage the inevitable ethical dilemmas as they arise, and to remember the caution that the behaviour that you walk past is the behaviour that you condone. Beyond the opportunities and challenges, a graduation signals that you have gained new knowledge. Use it wisely and responsibly. Ensure that your impact is a positive one. You are seen to contribute, not to be a taker. I say this particularly because you are graduates of a University of Technology. Technology can certainly be applied as a force for good, but be alert to unintended consequences. And even more importantly, to applications of technology that are intentionally not benign. And as you use this knowledge, keep in mind that the public generally will not understand technology in the way that you do. How you communicate about technology can shape the reaction to your work. And in a small way, perhaps, also the public understanding of science and technology. There will be times, however, when knowledge alone is not enough. You'll be required to make judgments where the answer is not clear. Judgment is informed by experience, particularly the experience gained through making mistakes. We all make mistakes, but they provide the best learning and build the reserves of judgment upon which we can later draw. So my challenge to you here today is to make sure that you make enough space and time to acquire and deepen your judgment skills. That'll be inconvenient. It probably involves turning off the laptop and the iPhone to think about things in depth. Think about the questions you need to ask and the answers that you receive from that. Think about the judgment calls you need to make. Finally, we hope that your relationship with UTS does not end today. Your career will evolve in multiple dimensions, requiring new and continuous knowledge. And we are very focused on how we can support you, our alumni, in your lifelong learning needs. So now we welcome you to the global UTS alumni community. That's a community which is 280,000 strong. Please stay involved and stay in touch. And remember that our alumni office is your lifelong connection to UTS. So may I congratulate you all again and wish you every success in applying the skills and knowledge that you have gained from UTS, this world-class institution. I now invite Professor Vicky Chen, the Provost and Senior Vice President, to introduce the occasional speaker.
Thank you. Before I introduce the occasional speaker, I wish to add my congratulations to our new graduates and hope that you will continue to be connected with us as part of the UTS family. Our occasional speaker today is Ms. Carmel Crowe, OAM. Ms. Carmel Crowe is an outstanding Australian engineer who has contributed significantly in the realm of local government, international project, and community outcomes across an over 40-year career. Her focus and commitment to the water industry has seen her in many and varied roles, including honorary association positions. She's known as a mentor to many engineers and a strong advocate for the development of professionals in the sector. Carmel has been an inspiration to many women in engineering and the first female civil engineering graduate from the New South Wales Institute of Technology, the predecessors of UTS. Carmel has combined executive and non-executive roles and is known for her achievement in the water utility, excellence and innovation, as well as her strong leadership. Her career included water supply, sewage, and sanitation projects within government and the private sector, with a strong focus on improving essential services for the regional area. She served as the national president of the Australian Water Association from 2019 to 2021. In 2019, she was awarded the OAM for her contribution to civil engineering. And in that year, she was also awarded a special achievement by the New South Wales Minister of Local Government for her contribution to the sector. She was also recognized by her peers in 2023 and received the AWA's highest award for exceptional service. It gives me great pleasure to invite Ms. Carmel Crowe, OAM, to deliver the occasional address.
Good afternoon, Pro-Chancellor, Vice-Chancellor, Presiding Dean, staff, distinguished guests, graduates, families and friends. It is such an honour for me to be here today. It brings back so many wonderful memories of my time at UTS and how that period shaped my career. When I was invited to speak today, I searched back through my old files and I found my old graduation booklet. And they printed them out in those days. I was in this same hall on the 13th of May 1985 for my graduation, and the memories are still so vivid in my mind because that day was so special. In this auditorium there were 234 graduates and I was the only female in that cohort. I clearly remember being extremely nervous that I was going to trip up the stairs in my high shoes and make a fool of myself. The significance of a day like today in your life should not be underestimated, not only because it gives you a chance to stop and celebrate with your family and friends, but also because it's a time to appreciate just how much your family and support networks have helped you get to this point. Today is definitely about you and your achievements, but I also urge you to reflect on what it means to those around you. I've been so fortunate in my life to have my parents with me at that graduation all those years ago, and now in my life I'm blessed with a wonderful husband, stepchildren, grandchildren, extended family. You should never ever take any of that support for granted. I hope today marks the start of a journey for you of lifelong learning, achievement and pride in the engineering profession that you've chosen. I have never regretted for 1 minute my choice of my career over all these years, and I still get great pleasure in reminiscing about my past successes as well as my past failures. I'm still active in my industry and am still fascinated by the projects and technology involved in my current roles as I was when I was an undergraduate thirsty for knowledge. I've been fortunate to have been a part of some fantastic projects over many years, ranging from dams, treatment plants, complex underwater pipelines, through to small-scale community systems. I've also had to deal with several disasters and near disasters. I can assure you that engineering is never boring. So as you start your career in such a wonderful profession, I'd like to share a couple of the personal learnings that I have learned over my 40 years in my career. I think to succeed in any profession requires the ability to listen to others, irrespective of the qualifications or the position in your organisation. As a young engineer, I learned both from the senior engineers around me as well as from the guys in the field who didn't have any formal qualifications but who were generous enough to share their vast practical experience with a very green and naive younger me. Collectively, they all taught me that being a good engineer is about being part of a team of people with diverse skills that come together to deliver outcomes for a common good in society. I was the operations manager at Redlands in southeast Queensland in 2004 when the remote water treatment plant on North Stradbroke Island burnt to the ground because of a simple fault in an air conditioner. We were within 10 hours of running out of water for 120,000 people, saved only by a team of clever and dedicated electricians, fitters, engineers and operators that all work together to rig up a temporary fix. Listening, understanding and communicating will be a part of everything you do as an engineer. Whatever type of problem you're trying to solve, effective communication is the key to success. As I grew in my career and had to manage more people, I realised how the best communication skills are acquired through learning to walk in the shoes of others and to see things from their point of view. You will find that many engineering issues can lead to frustrating and ineffective outcomes if you only see things through a single lens of your own perspective. You also need to be able to see what other people see so that you can communicate ideas in different frames of reference. This means having the ability to turn a complicated engineering proposal into a simple explanation or business case. I once had to explain to a local community group why we're spending millions of dollars upgrading an existing dam due to safety issues, while also having to give them confidence that there wasn't any risk to them from dam failure in the immediate future. Translating a complex finite element analysis and probability assessment into a 15-minute PowerPoint presentation for the community around the dam was only possible because of the technical and communication skills of the dam design engineer that I was working with. Each of you will have different reasons for choosing engineering. I had no firm plan or vision when I left school and started my degree, except that I wanted to work and study and I was good at maths and science. It was serendipity that led me down a path in the water industry and I have never ever looked back from that. Whatever path you take in your career, the common factor of engineering is that we are here to improve societal outcomes. At no time was this clearer to me than when I worked for the Australian Aid Program. To be part of projects such as providing sanitation facilities in Papua New Guinea so girls could go to school, or installing a pipeline in a village in West Java so that women and girls didn't have to walk dozens of kilometres every day to gather water, was some of the most rewarding and humbling experiences of my life. I've also come to appreciate more and more in my career the need to apply the data, information, knowledge, wisdom, DIKW pyramid. Hopefully you will have come across this. At the base of the pyramid, you have data, then moving upwards, you have information, then upwards to knowledge, and at the peak, you have wisdom. The ever-reducing dimensions of the pyramid, as you move upwards, reflects how hard it is to gain and use real wisdom. In this age of ubiquitous data and information and knowledge sharing, it is more important than ever to strive to use wisdom in our decisions. I believe that wisdom comes not through age, but through empathy, and this is a skill that you can practice every single day. So I encourage you to take your engineering degrees that we celebrate today and use them as a starting block for a rewarding career. But remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. I have mentored many young engineers over the years that seem to be on a race to the finish line and in far too much of a rush to get to the next step up the ladder. My advice to you is to enjoy the journey along the way. Every day is a learning day and brings an opportunity for climbing up that DIKW pyramid. My sincere hope is that you will get as much pride, joy and fulfilment in your career as I have had in mine, and that you will find an industry of challenges, lessons and lifelong friends and colleagues. I wish you all the very best for the future and sincerely thank you so much for the privilege of sharing this special occasion with you.
I would like to thank our occasional speaker, Ms. Carmel Crow, AM, for the occasional address on this very important day. I really appreciate her reflections on just starting with the support of family, pride in the discipline, and being a pioneer in this area. However, the other thing is obviously her contribution and the value of that contribution to society by providing critical infrastructure for people in not just in Australia, but overseas and disadvantaged communities. The comments around how teams of diverse people can support you in your career, but also the value of being able to communicate to diverse stakeholders are critical skills that she's reflected and highlighted of such importance for you as engineers particularly. So in conclusion, let me say that the best wishes and the pride of the university go with each and every UTS graduate, and thank you again.
Pro-Chancellor, guests, and graduates. That occasional address concludes the formal proceedings for this ceremony. On behalf of the Pro-Chancellor, I invite you to join the official party for refreshments. These will be served in the Great Hall foyer and in the balcony room just adjoining this hall. The photography, framing, and memorabilia services are located on level 4, one floor below us. The academic procession is about to leave the Great Hall. As it does, I invite our new graduates to join the procession, which will end in the balcony room. Would the congregation please rise for the academic procession?